Now we're gonna teach you how to lower a lifeboat with our AB, Mr. Jovenio Beltran Mongoloid. First thing you will do is to hoist so that the tension of the lifeboat will go to the wire. Okay, guy? Hoy, lower. Hoist. Then after that, you need to remove the lashings. Say hi.
Kaya pala pinapunta ko ni Busi dito, ganyan ginagawa niya. Boss, dito pala ako. Ay, bumaba ang basket eh. Diba?
Now they're removing the lashing. After removing the lashing, we also need to disconnect the battery cable. Opo.
Yes.
After removing the cable and the lashing, you need to swing it out by pushing that lever. Say hi to the vlog, Mr. Jovenio.
Pahinga muna, pagod. Yeah. Okay lang yun.